Welcome to the world of private jets. Today we're diving into the key features of the Learjet 55, a marvel in aviation. You know, being up in the air, it's a different world, a different feeling. It's about freedom. It's about reaching your destination in style and comfort. And let me tell you, the Learjet 55 delivers that in spades. So buckle up, or should I say sit back and relax as we explore what makes this jet so special. Let's talk about space. You climb aboard this beauty, and the first thing that hits you is the spaciousness of the cabin. It's not just about legroom, though you've got plenty of that. It's about moving around freely, stretching out, feeling like you're in a high-end penthouse suite rather than a plane. Picture this: plush leather seats, handcrafted to perfection, wide aisles and large windows that offer breathtaking views. The Learjet 55 is designed for comfort, especially on those long hauls. You know, those flights where you want to arrive refreshed and ready to go. This ain't your average cramped plane cabin, folks. This is about enjoying the journey as much as the destination. Now, let's talk about the brains behind this beauty. The Learjet 55 is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, making it one of the safest and most reliable jets in the sky. We're talking advanced navigation systems, weather radar, and communication systems that would make NASA proud. These systems aren't just about getting you from point A to point B. They're about doing it with the utmost precision and safety. Knowing you have that kind of technology at your fingertips, it just gives you a sense of confidence, of being in control. And that's what flying is all about, isn't it? That feeling of freedom, of soaring above it all, knowing you have the best of the best at your command. One of the things I love most about flying is the ability to cover vast distances quickly and efficiently. And the Learjet 55, let me tell you, this baby can fly. We're talking a range that can take you from coast to coast without breaking a sweat. Imagine this. You want to have breakfast in New York, close a deal in LA, and be back in time to tuck your kids into bed. The Learjet 55 makes that possible. No layovers, no waiting around in crowded terminals, just pure, unadulterated freedom. That's the beauty of this jet. It shrinks the world, brings people and places closer together, all while enveloping you in luxury and comfort. Now, let's talk about speed. The Learjet 55 isn't just about getting you there in comfort, it's about getting you there fast. We're talking about a high-performance machine that can cruise at speeds that'll leave most commercial airliners in the dust. This jet has got some serious get up and go. It's like strapping yourself into a rocket, except a whole lot more luxurious. You feel that power, that acceleration, and it's exhilarating. But it's not just about the thrill, although that's definitely part of it. It's about efficiency, about maximizing your time, about getting where you need to be when you need to be there. Okay, let's talk about the fun stuff. The interior. The Learjet 55 isn't just about getting you there, it's about getting you there in style. We're talking about a level of luxury and sophistication that rivals the finest hotels and yachts. Imagine this, sinking into those plush leather seats, handcrafted to perfection, your favorite drink in hand, enjoying a gourmet meal as you soar above the clouds. The cabin is designed to create a serene and relaxing atmosphere with soft lighting, climate control, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. It's all about customization, about making the space your own. Whether you're looking to work, relax, or entertain, the Learjet 55 provides the perfect setting. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Learjet 55. It's a remarkable aircraft, a blend of performance, luxury, and technology that truly sets it apart. Flying is all about freedom, and the Learjet 55 embodies that spirit. Whether you're a seasoned aviator or just starting to explore the world of private aviation, I hope this video has given you a glimpse into what makes this jet so special. It's more than just a mode of transportation. It's a statement, an experience, a way of life. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of private aviation.